In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply credit notes in QuickBooks Online International. We'll walk through this in two parts. First, how to create a credit note, and then how to apply that credit to an outstanding invoice. Follow along in your own QuickBooks file if you can, so this really sticks. To start creating a credit note, go to the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online and look for the New button, usually at the top left. Click that, and from the list of options, choose Credit Note. This tells QuickBooks that you're not receiving money, but instead giving your customer a credit that can be used later. Next, choose the customer you're issuing the credit to. This is really important because the credit will be linked directly to this customer's account and will be available to apply against their invoices. Now add the details of what the credit is for. Under Products and Services, select the relevant items or services you are crediting. Enter the quantity, rate, and amount. If you need to credit something that isn't set up yet, you can create a new product or service on the spot. Just make sure it's set up correctly so your reporting stays accurate. Check the sales tax section and adjust it if needed. If the original sale had tax, your credit will usually need to mirror that so that your tax reports stay correct. You can also add a message to your customer explaining why they're receiving this credit and attach any supporting documents such as a return authorization or a note from your team. When everything looks good, you have two options. Click Save and Send if you want to email the credit note directly to your customer, or choose Save and Close if you only want to record it in QuickBooks without sending an email. Now let's apply that credit note to an invoice. Go back to the New button and this time select Receive Payment. This form is also used to apply existing credits even when you're not actually receiving new money. Select the same customer. In the Outstanding Transactions section, click on the open invoice you want to apply the credit to. Then look for the Credit section and select the credit note you just created. In the Payment column for that invoice, type in how much of the credit you want to apply. Leave fields like Payment Method and Deposit to blank, since we're not depositing any cash here. Once you've reviewed the form, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will update the invoice, marking it as fully or partially paid, depending on the amount of credit you used.